Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl LiaLeigh. As promised, as I said, I am giving y'all a very natural nail tutorial. This video is basically going to include me filing down a acrylic that is on my nails that I posted pictures on my Snapchat, Instagram, all of that. It was that peach tie-dye looking acrylic that I applied. Being that I'm going back to work today, I wanted to make sure that my nails are clean and as fresh and plain as they could possibly be. In the line of work that I am in, cleanliness is its utmost importance, especially right now. So I decided to just go with the neutral plain overlay with some clear acrylic and a clear top coat of gel polish. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions about anything that I use, please ask them down below. I will answer. One thing I do want to answer at this time is the drill and the UV light that I use. Guys, these tools that I have are about 3 years old. A company sent me them 3 years ago, and it really was like a no-name brand type of company. I'm pretty sure you can find a better drill on Amazon for maybe $100 that you can travel with if you are in need of a nail drill and a light. I'm pretty sure there are also some like sets that you can search on Amazon and you can find them. So yeah, that answers that question, because I know so many people are like, oh my god, where'd you get this drill from? This drill is 3 years old and it's hanging on by a thread of a cord. I need to get my own new one. So that answers that. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see y'all soon. During this process, I'm not going to show me doing what I'm doing to the other side of the hand, just because it's the same thing. Moving on to pushing back the cuticle. This is a drill bit that has, it's a weird shape. It has a point at the tip, but it's still soft enough and gentle enough to kind of loosen up the cuticle and push it back a little bit. So once it's time to trim, which I did off camera, it's a lot easier to trim the cuticle. It may look like I'm holding the drill a little weird. That's only for filming purposes. I don't normally have to, of course, film while I'm doing my nails, so this process did take a little bit longer due to me filming. As you can see, all of the old acrylic is off. One of my hands here is completely finished, and the one that I'm wiggling my fingers is the hand that I'm going to be continuing this tutorial with. After you drill your cuticle beds, clean those up, you are going to buff your nails out. Trim your cuticle beds and move on to prepping for acrylic. As you can see, my fingers look a little shiny. That is a IBD primer coat that I have cured in the UV light for 60 seconds, and now I am ready to apply the acrylic. Being that I am no professional, y'all, with application of acrylic, I am going to reference y'all. If you are a super new beginner like myself at applying acrylic, I suggest to watch a beginner nail tutorial on applying acrylic. I am still learning myself. It is a very challenging aspect to learn about doing nails, just because there's so many things that can go wrong with acrylic, as far as it being too thick, being too watery. You want just the right consistency in order for the acrylic to lay correctly, and then once it does dry, you want it to not lift, of course. So this is just how I do my nails. It is a learning process. It does take time, and it takes a lot of patience So just be soft on yourself. There's no reason to be like, oh my gosh, I can't get this right. My nails have come a very long way. Another challenging thing about doing your own nails, we all know, is doing the opposite hand. As you can see, my left hand is already done because I am right-handed, and now I am taking my sweet time doing my right hand. That is just something that's going to take time. Once again, takes patience, and you have to be consistent at wanting to learn how to do your own nails in order to get it right. Just right how you like them. Alrighty, so this hand is coming up on being done. I did want to let you know that I'm using a Mia Secret brush. I got this from my local nail supply store, and I love it. I just got this brush and it's new. So here I am going to be of course shaping my nail. It's going to be a very short natural shape, and it's basically going to be to the skin. There's going to be like zero length on these nails this time, of course, due to me going back to work. As well as the edges. The edges are going to be very smooth and rounded. No sharp corners, no sharp edges at all. During this step, you want to be very careful on how much you do drill, just because you don't want to drill too far down on any area and then have to basically go back over with any acrylic. So just take it slow and be gentle on your nails, especially if you are the type of person who cares for thinner acrylic overlays like myself. I do not prefer for the nail to be too thick. Just because there's way too much work that comes in when it's time to do a fill-in with that. So this is just the drilling portion. You can see where there's an uneven texture to the nail here, but I'm going to make that all smooth and perfect. This last buffing is to ensure that the nail is smooth. There are no cracks, there are no uneven textures or parts of the nail, and it is going to be time to polish afterwards. Both of the polishes are IBD, the base polish as well as the top coat. The base polish does need to be cured for 60 seconds depending on which light you have, and the top coat only needs to be cured for 30 seconds. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you have watched it thus far, you know what to do. Comment pound dope down in the comment section. I am replying to everyone. As well, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, all of the good stuff, you know where to leave it. I will catch y'all in my next video. If y'all like these videos or you want me to switch it up or show a different angle, use a different product, let me know and I can see if I can do that in my next nail tutorial. Until then, peace, love, and Afro grease. Bye y'all.